Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you use ChatGPT within Microsoft Excel. You don't need to open any browser or anything. Whenever you are inside MS Excel, you will be able to use ChatGPT. Now, earlier I published some of the videos related to ChatGPT. If you have missed that, just check the links in the description below. You'll be able to learn how to use ChatGPT, what are the use cases, how can you use this particular tool to improve your productivity. ChatGPT is a phenomenal thing which came to our life now, and so where everyone is taking benefit out of it, you should be also doing. So this is a phenomenal tool, and it's a must use, at least a must try, and then you will be able to understand why I'm suggesting in that way. Right, so let me show you how can you use ChatGPT within Microsoft Excel. If you follow my mouse, currently I have a blank Excel open. What I'll do, I'll go to insert. Currently I'm in home tab, I'll go to insert. There I'll be able to see one option, that is get add-ins. I'll click on that, and once next pop-up will come, and in the search button I will just type OpenAI and I'll search. Right, so ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI.com, so that's why I start with OpenAI, and here you will be able to see one option, that is Brainiac Helper. Right, I don't know if I pronounced it right or not, however I'll click on add. It will give you a prompt that you need to click on continue, and then in a second it will get installed. Now this particular tool is there. Two things you need to do now. First of all, you need to generate one API key which will help you to connect ChatGPT engine from backend. And I'll show you that how can you initiate this particular API key. This API key I'm going to show, it's a secure key, and I should not be sharing it to anyone. But by the time this particular video will be published, I'll be deleting that key. So there will not be any chance to misuse of that particular key. So let me show you how can you generate this particular API key. If I go to my Chrome web browser, I already have one particular tab open. Here you can see that I'm under my profile, and here you can see under user API keys. So that option is there. So you can see the URL also, open platform.openai.com/account/API keys. I will add this particular link in the description below so that you don't need to find it. You just can click and you can generate. Now I'll create a new API key here. So if I click on this particular button, then this particular key will get generated, and now I can copy this particular code. One thing to notice here, once I'll click on OK, then I'll not be able to copy this code anyways down the line. So you can always generate a new key, but this key you will not be able to see later. So what I'll do, I'll just open one of the notepad, and there I'll keep this particular key, and so that I can use it whenever I'll be using that particular API within Excel. So what I'll do, I'll just minimize it, and then I'll click on OK. Now you can see I have two API keys. I'll delete both of them before publishing this particular video. Now I'm coming back to Excel, and here I need to paste that particular API key. So that's the one thing I need to do, and now I'm ready. And what I need to just do, I need to ask question now. All right, so let me ask some of the questions. Okay, I just typed a question here, and let me do one thing. Let me expand this particular column so that I can see it better, and also the next one, let me expand. And I just need to click on the next cell. I will be able to see that there is a one run button is here. If I click on run, it will take some time, and then it will fetch the result. You can see it already fetched. So I have not opened any separate web browser to invoke ChatGPT. I called it from here using this particular add-in. Now another tip. So I'll ask the same question, but now within ChatGPT there are different models. Currently it's mentioned text DaVinci 002. So now the latest version is 003. If I select 003 and ask the same question, let me see that what are the result comes. I just clicked on run, and now it's fetching. You can see it somehow changed some of the responses, but it's used the 003 as a model, right? So this is the way you can invoke ChatGPT within MS Excel. let me just a couple more things here which you need to know. Whenever you are using API keys, it's using some of your credits from your account. Now, whenever you will open ChatGPT, you will have a $5 credit, and there are subtle things you need to know that currently for me it's showing $18 because I think I logged in the very first or second day when it launched. Maybe that's the reason I got $18 credit, and which will expire within the April month, and from effective 1st May it will not be there. So but if you see in the billing and other things, the pricing, you will be able to see there are multiple different ways that how this token will work. You can check that what are the token related expenses are there and how you can use it. You can see which model. Da Vinci we use it, that's having a different usage, and in case you are using a different model, that usage will be different. So in case you are planning to use it in this way, you may need to be also mindful of the charges behind that, because currently I can see that ChatGPT is going into a paid model. Recently it started showing me that if I can upgrade to a plus with a $20 per month plan. So I'm still using the free one. So that's why I thought of adding this particular point also, so that you know how this billing thing works and you will be able to use it in better way. So this is the way you can invoke ChatGPT within MS Excel, and you can use it instead of opening another web browser to check that. Hopefully you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch similar kind of a content. I'm planning to record few more videos related to ChatGPT, where I'll show you how can you use it within MS Word, and also I publish some of the videos where how can you improve productivity using ChatGPT, or what are the other use cases. Check the links in the description below or in my channel. You will be able to see those. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.